This is problem 1.04 from Francois Tardieu's Backgammon Strategic Concepts book. Here's the problem. We are blue. We rolled a 5-4. Our homeboard's in the bottom right. We'll look at three possible moves using the 5-4. We'll go over the pros and cons of each possible move. Note the features of the position, pip count, strength of each player's board, and threats facing each of the players. I'll give you my thoughts on each move, the pros and cons I see. We'll go over Tardieu's analysis using XG's feedback, and we'll look at Tardieu's summary. Here's the first possible move, 22-18, 13-8. 13-8 brings an extra builder down to strengthen our partially developed prime, like this. 13-8 also makes the 8 point, which is a useful point to have. 22-18 slots a point you may want to use in the future for an advanced anchor. Second possible move is 13-4, slotting the 4, like this. Slotting the 4 point sets us up for the best 4-point homeboard and a potential 5 prime with a 7 point. Third possibility is 22-13, running one of our back checkers to the midpoint, like this. Runs one of our back checkers to the safe midpoint, but it breaks connectivity between our two back checkers. After the move, we only have one checker stranded on the 24. Take a look at the three possible moves again. Make your choice, which you think is the best move. And we'll look at Tardieu's analysis using feedback from XG. 22-18, 13-8 gives white direct shots with all sixes once we move from the 22 to the 18. Those sixes wouldn't have played well otherwise. Now we give them good sixes that hit us by moving up 22-18. Also, moving 22 to 18 reduces the pressure we had been putting on the 21 through the 14. Now we have a little less contact value by moving this checker up to the 18. Twenty-two 13, running the one back checker to the midpoint, seems like it's a safe play, but actually gives white more control over his outfield and homeboard. You have less ways to hit any blots that white may leave in his outfield or homeboard. The top rated play is to slot the 4. If we get a shot soon, we want to have a strong homeboard or prime to contain the checker that we hit. We want to do that as fast as possible. This move does that. Tardieu's summary, page 41. While you wait for a shot, the best way to quickly build a strong offense is to slot the points you need to build your prime, and therefore give you a best chance of containing any checkers we may hit and send back. I modify the position, put white ahead of the race, 2 pips ahead before the roll, 11 after. Then we have a better chance of winning if we run. So running or slotting the 4 now are a toss-up. But running is only good when we can run to safety. We don't want to run anywhere here, 18, 16, 15, or 14, and leave a blot. In that case, we would come down and try to build our prime better.